Hi everyone, I'm Tom, Chief Operating Officer at Pentium Network. Today I will share with you how we can help you and your team run your game service and operation worldwide around the clock with a mix of clouds in a brand new way. Better, smarter, and faster. Stay tuned. Pentium Network is a team of highly skilled software developer and operating experts devoted to providing the smart technology to solve the growing complexity issues in the modern cloud-based IT operations, especially in the gaming industry, to make it simpler, smarter, and more agile. Founded by a team of serial entrepreneurs, including industry experts in gaming, video streaming, cloud natives, AI, and IT transformation. We're the right team with the needed skills and what it takes to deliver. 3 RD team leads among us coming from the CTO roles in the other startups, before joining in, sharing the same ideas to redefine the way that the modern IT engineers should operate. Success in digital service operations is about delivering competitive service quality at a competitive cost. Modern game operations require using a mix of clouds and technologies from different suppliers, offering service cross-continent, around the clock, with nice speed and reliability, and updating frequently so that customers always have something new to hope for, and happily stick to our games and services. We need to deliver all of that at a cost equal to or less than competition, so to stay competitive and fit. That sounds understandable and very challenging. When we put ourselves into the IT engineer's shoes, this is what you could probably get on your desktop every day. Normal human can track 4 to 5 moving objects at a time. Yet, about half of the cloud IT engineers are required to track 10 monitoring tools. If we count in the cloud consoles from AWS, GCP, Cloudflare, and the like, for managing services on the cloud, the number can easily go up to 20. This may sound trivial to you, no big deal, right? But frequent switching between tools and consoles build up stress to people. And then people like me can make mistakes. 70% of the known outages due to human are no secrets. When services are down, the upset customers can leave us for competition. Even worse, they can backmouth us on social media to create negative virals. The financial loss alone ranges between 5,000 and 600,000 USD per minute, or $3 million for every 5 minutes if we are talking about companies like Apple. When we find ourselves too busy, it can be time to change. What if we can reduce the number of tools and consoles? What if we can walk around doing IT operations as many other professionals have already done? What if we can use automation to take care of our daily routines, even if we don't feel like writing code? What if one day AI can really help, like in many other areas, without costing our jobs? Allow me to introduce to you Marvin, your one-stop AI platform. For the IT engineers, Marvin can reduce the number of consoles from 20 to 1, use automation to speed up daily works, and use mobile devices to operate anywhere, anytime to bring back the work-life balance. For SRE and automation developers, Marvin can provide frameworks and tools to help develop automation faster, and integrate with CI/CD toolchain to make DevOps more agile. And for the top of business, Marvin can bring immediate productivity uplift. That means profitability and also as an evolving platform leading into full automation and AI enabled, so the investment today is future-proofed. The heart of the Marvin is to deliver better ways to operate with the mobile chatbot. Make developers and operators working closer. For more mature automations, no human interventions ever needed, and for the evolving AI to eventually help simplify operations. Marvin can help you connect public and private clouds, capture events from different sources of monitoring tools, allow human and system interfacing easier than ever, and launch automation decisively to save the day whenever needed. With full support on enterprise IT governance and was built for the developer ecosystem. Marvin features a single pane of glass console to manage all infrastructures, chatbots to operate with mobile anywhere, anytime, drag and drop automation reusable without writing code, event trigger automation for faster remediation and less downtime. Access and changes to any Marvin managed assets now traceable and as a friendly companion for the CI/CD best practice. We focus on customer success. Take one Southeastern Asia customer operating game services in 5 countries, for example, serving more end users with far less people, hundreds of thousands of potential service downtimes prevented last year, managing massive assets on cloud and on premises combined, and updating as frequently as possible to make end user happy, thanks to Marvin. Now it's showtime. First, let's fly by the basic about Marvin, managing clouds, reusable automation, and its sophisticated permission control better fit your needs than most of the cloud providers' RBAC. Second, we'll show you how Marvin receives external events from Grafana, sends Slack notifications when the disk is overloaded, and when you agree on Marvin's automation to fix the problem, it gets it done before you even realize. Finally, we'll show you how Marvin empowers you to check, renew, and redeploy your security certificates on running services all through a few clicks on chatbots. Ready for this? And let's roll. When Marvin is at work, all supported cloud resources can be easily registered on, synchronized with, and managed through a single pane of glass. Automation running beautifully behind the scene can simply drag and drop and reuse without writing code. Permission control as for who can access what can be defined exactly the way you like it in one place. I know that is fast. I'll try to make it slower. About event trigger, Marvin can interwork with external event system to trigger automation. Grafana monitor disk loading, Slack notify alarms as a human checkpoint, and Marvin automation fix problems to prevent outage. Here, Grafana monitor disk usage and alarm when over 70%. On Marvin, let's register Grafana events, copy the webhook URL, and go back to Grafana alert setting, paste it, and save. Back to Marvin, let's create a workflow with this Grafana events as the starting point. Let's set Slack notification as a human checkpoint to approve the next steps. The next step is a simple shell script to clear files to lower the disk usage. When it's done, send a message to Slack again. Now let's see how it works. When Grafana observes disk usage shooting above 70%, Marvin automation starts to run in short seconds. On Slack, receive alerts and we click yes. Marvin runs automation to clear the files, and we get notification on Slack again. This usage is now back to normal. Marvin saved the day. All this happened in less than 40 seconds. If we skip the Slack human checkpoint, the turnaround time can be only a few seconds. And this would become a no-ops scenario, meaning no human intervention between events and the automation remediations. Next, let's talk about chat apps. Chat apps is about using instant messaging with chatbot to run automated operations. Telegram and Marvin will be working together here to check the status for the expiring security certificates, renew them, and deploy to 3 CDNs to preempt unexpected outages due to certificate expiration. Human operations are only a few clicks on Telegram, and Marvin does the rest. Let's roll. Marvin can help you operate clouds over Telegram, Slack, and the like. On Marvin, first that we create a chatbot command to trigger automation workflow. And on Telegram, let's type help to list all chatbot commands. Here we got one we just created. And let's type check SSL to run check expired certificate workflow. Back to Marvin, we see the workflow starts running. On Telegram, there are certificates about to expire in 30 days, and we want to renew and redeploy them to CDN, so we click yes. This triggers Marvin to run the next step. First of all, Marvin renewed expiring certificates from the supplier Let's Encrypt. Here we see the new certificates are being applied, 3 of them. And then the other automation started running to deploy the renewed certificates to CDNs from CloudFront, AliClouds, and Tencent. Telegram tells us that it's all done. All we did just a few clicks on the chatbot. Imagine how Pentium Network can help you run cloud IT operations smarter, simpler, and more agile with Marvin. Contact us and start your Marvin journey today. If you're visiting Taipei Game Show this year, you can find our booth in the B2B area. Look forward to meeting you there or somewhere else around the world, hopefully very soon. Stay well. See you next time. Bye now.